Julie's out admiring the view.
Really nice. You can see the waterfall from here.
Yeah, so that's Ravenna Falls over here. Then we have Ella Rock here, and then we have Little Adams Peak, which is here, and that's where we're heading now because that's where the zip line is.
Yesterday there was a little thunderstorm, it was raining, and the waterfall was really heavy and it was a lot of water coming down. We booked this place with Sri Lanka Island Trek Travels. They basically have a package. If you want to do a tour, they plan everything out for you. They book the accommodation, activities, transport, everything. But today we got activities with them and a hotel, and it's just been great. Like, there's a lot of relief off us.
First time we didn't have to plan anything, so
yeah.
We haven't done anything like this before, so we're looking forward to testing it out and seeing if we'll be using stuff like this in the future.
It is a thing that a lot of people do. They've never done it before, that's why we tried it out. But yeah, so far, great hotel. It's covered by them when you pay your package. And then the zip line as well is with them, and we can't wait.
Our baby. Hello, zip line this way?
Yeah,
Perfect. Love it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh my god, it's a lizard!
Oh my god, my heart, Tanya, you scared me.
I don't know what it was.
Oh, you got a fright. Me and the lizard gave each other a fright. Whoa, nearly fell. Inside here, beside the zip line, it's like a pool party place with heated jacuzzis and drinks and stuff, which is really cool. I never knew that was here. And there's also a swing. There's a place in Siargao in the Philippines that looks exactly like, just without the pool, but the way the bamboo sticks are and everything.
Harana.
Daniel's favourite place. This is also the same way to Adams Peak, or Little Adams Peak.
Yeah.
If you're gonna do that.
It's really nice.
But the view around is amazing.
So good. We can see the zip line going past us as well. It looks like it's going fast.
I'm afraid of heights.
Some views though. Look at this. I think that's Ella's Rock there.
Used to be 95 kg maximum to do this. So.
You're safe enough.
Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah. Check you now, Daniel.
I'll be safe. I'm going to guess before I step on. I'm going to be 81.
I'd say 82.
81.
You're 84?
Really?
Daniel's eaten a lot of rice.
A lot of chicken kotu. So we're going over here now to the safety lockers, and they'll get us all set up here with the harnesses and all that.
We're wearing the wrong footwear altogether. Look. It's gonna come straight off.
It's like we were born again. You only get them when you're a baby.
Yeah, I still have mine. I'm gonna put it right here.
83 kilos, not too bad.
51. Right, so we're ready to go. We're all kitted out. We're gonna make our way up to the zip line.
Julie's feeling nervous. She's standing.
I feel sick. I'm just nervous. I don't like heights. We have 2 GoPros. I have one, Diane has the other.
We'll be able to capture everything.
Yeah.
I had to get 2 because this is our own one as well, like, but it's broken. Like, I had to sellotape it so it won't fall apart. But I want to get Julie's reaction as well. How are you?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm nervous. Oh, I'm so scared.
Don't think too much.
And this is secure, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
What's your name?
Julie, what's your name?
I'm Dinesh. Nice to meet you, Julie.
Nice to meet you. Like this?
Like that.
It's secure, yeah?
Yeah. You okay?
No?
Like this. Okay, stand.
It's okay. This feels comfortable?
Yeah, comfortable.
Okay. All secure, yeah?
Good, make you.
Is it okay? It's secure, yeah?
Yeah, it's a good.
Oh my god. Wait.
3,
2, 1, go.
Oh my god. That was really good. It looked like I was enjoying it, but I'm just scared out of my comfort zone. Thank you so much. That was good.
You enjoy?
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. That was very good. Okay, thank you so much.
that was so much fun.
That was really good.
It's very quick though, is this?
Very quick.
Yeah. It was just, I felt like we just took off and then it was ending. It was good though, really fast. But now we get transport up, thank God. We don't have to walk all the way up. We got the front seats.
Yeah.
Special. So we're going to do Little Adams Peak now because it wasn't far from the zipline at all. Zipline's only here and Little Adams Peak is just here. So we might as well do it now instead of coming back for sunset.
Were you going to do the sunset?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was going to come back here for sunset.
Oh well.
Yeah, no, it's better to do it now. There is a bigger Adams Peak that you can do just before you come to Ella, but we didn't bother doing it. We'll just do the little one. It's a good starter.
We made it to the top of Little Adams Peak and it's really worth it. It's lovely.
Really good. You can see Ella Rock perfect from here as well.
Yeah, that's a trail as well that people do, but we can't fit it into our schedule. Unfortunately, we have to leave tomorrow morning, and we have to go to the Nine Arch Bridge after this, so we can't do that.
Lot to do.
Lot to do, but yeah, this is really beautiful. We just came from up here. We found this little viewpoint down here. It's pretty scary, but anything for content.
It's cool. I like it here. I'm a drone.
There was an easier way over there, but Daniel, being Daniel, wanted to go down this mucky, slippy way. That wasn't a fart, that was my Birkin making a noise.
We're going to head to Nine Arch Bridge now, just before sunset.
Might get some lunch first.
Would you want lunch, yeah?
Something quick to eat.
Yeah, we can do that. We'll get some lunch first, though, for Julie, and then we will head to Nine Arch Bridge.
This is the town of Ella. It's definitely the most touristy place that me and Daniel have been to in Sri Lanka. There's restaurants everywhere. There's a lot going on, a lot of nightlife too. We're gonna go to the Nine Arch Bridge tomorrow morning at 6 AM because right now it's about to rain. Well, it already is raining and there's thunder, so I think it'll be better tomorrow morning.
So our food has arrived and it looks amazing. I went for a Sri Lankan curry. It's a mix of different types of curries, like 5 vegetable curries and then a chicken curry as well. Julie went with a chicken wrap and it looks really good. So we're going to dig in and enjoy our food.
It's 6 AM, oh no, it's 6:17 right now. Good morning, doggy. The train should be there in about 4 minutes. Yeah, we're just working our way down.
Alright, we can kind of see it now in the distance and it looks absolutely huge. And there is nobody here. We've seen so many photos and videos of this, so yeah, we've been waiting to see this for a while and oh my god, that is worth it. Look at this. That is so cool. Alright, let's find a spot because the train is going to be coming soon. Absolutely massive.
I could see the beehives as I walked in. I seen a viral video on TikTok of a couple that was here. I don't know when it was, but they got attacked by bees.
You can see them, yeah, look at them.
I can see the beehives underneath the arch. That's in the back of my mind now for the next while. I'm so scared of the bees. So it is currently 6:53. We were told we'd be here at 6:20, but trains being trains, they're always late. But if you are coming here in the morning, obviously come on time, so you never know. But today it's half an hour late. Okay, I hear the train finally, and it is 7:13. So it's a little bit late. A little bit. Okay, it sounds like it's coming from behind us.
Yeah, everyone's waiting, looking over here, but we think it's going to be coming the other way.
It's here, it is, I think. Yeah, it is. There's so much people on it.
I wanted to come that way. I was ready and I made shot ready. I wasn't ready for this side.
We understand now why people were standing the other side.
They did the research. But it was still good. I felt like you're on France's, you know, the train spotter that's famous on Instagram and TikTok. I was thinking about him when I was watching it. I was like, what would he be like if he was here?
You'd love it here. There is so many bees. Yeah, I don't know if they wake up with the sun or are they waking up by all of us or what's right, but there's way more bees.
Maybe the train going past woke them.
I don't know. There's
Because
so
they weren't out
many.
before the train.
Oh, I have shivers. I want to leave.
Yeah, I want to leave them front and bad happened.
It doesn't look good. We are back at our hotel and we have a lovely hot breakfast waiting for us when we come back. It's so nice. And we also have a cup of tea. This is essential for the morning.
So we have this type of pancake stuff with coconut inside. We got a fried egg and we got some French toast. We got a papaya smoothie, which is delicious. Julie already drank hers. It's all gone. And we got the tea and our view of Ravenna Falls, which is so cool.
And we also seen a train pass by here.
Yeah.
And I think that's the second train that's meant to pass the Nine Arches Bridge because, wait, it's 8 o'clock now, but they are meant to be late. I think that was the second one.
But yeah, we're going to dig in here and then we'll let you know what our plan is for the next couple of weeks. Or next couple of days. We're actually leaving in 7 days. Right, so we're all packed up and we're going to leave now for the south. We had an amazing stay here. It was such a nice place. But this is our last look at the view. Absolutely amazing. We had such a good stay in Ella. We can see why it's the most popular place to visit in Sri Lanka. It's absolutely beautiful. But now we're heading south and
We don't know where we're going.
yeah, we have no idea where we're going yet. We're going to start driving to Tangal. We might stay there tonight, but
Tangali.
Tangali. I think it's Tangal.
Tangali.
Tangali. We'll see. Let us know if we're saying it right. I think
Yeah.
it's Tangal. You think what?
Tangali.
Tangali. But
Um,
we're going to head there first and yeah, see where we go from there. As we said at the start of the vlog, we booked everything with Island Trek Travels
Yeah.
and we can't recommend them enough. Everything was done perfect for us. We had breakfast in the mornings.
Really nice hotel.
Really nice
picked.
hotel. The whole lot.
Yeah, like this view, you can't get anything better than this view,
Yeah,
to be honest.
it's really good. We booked a zip line and everything through them, and they have other packages, but that's the package we went for because we had a tight schedule, so we only had the 2 days here. But yeah, we're going to head on now. We hope you enjoyed the vlog. We had a really good time here, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.